Hello? Mukkume, our Wi-Fi is having a name Sahadeva Mandiram. Yeah, our Wi-Fi name we put as Sahadeva Mandiram. It is not showing sometimes. I don't know. Yesterday. Arrangement is I am inside my house now, Sahadeva Mandiram. Then how it will not show yaar? कनेक्शन है यार, कनेक्शन है. प्रॉपर चल रहा है. हाउ इट विल नहीं दिखे. I don't know. Yesterday also it was not showing. Then I did this and that. Then it came. I don't know what. When we are inside our house, it should show on Sahadeva Mandiram. I am inside only, na? Yes, no. Got which one there? Okay. Right? What? Property. Mukkume, hello. Hello. Maybe these criminals are having some plan to kidnap me actually, maybe. You know. I know all these things, I know. They can make fraud thing documents. Then how people are making fraud degree certificates, this and that. How? These criminals are doing so many things. They want to snatch my property, 146 cents of land and this house actually. Property documents are with. But we have to make him be three actually, me, Mukun and Malu. So nobody should snatch our property. Why? No, never ever. Never he can't. What is why 1 minute? What is? No, I don't like that. What why? Because we three in our and we will make a line. Why? No problem. We three can't even, and even my daughter can't tell, like that we will keep her. Till 50, till 50 she can't do anything, like that we will write. Yeah. Why? Because by 50 she will come to know who the real people, who the not real ones. And by that, when she becomes 50, that person will die. Uh, uh, that is true. Karma will come this faster. But still now, what you know, Mukku be careful, these criminals wanted to kidnap me and that. And then why your father is saying with you, somebody will kidnap you. Uh, 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 that's what I'm saying. Even I'm saying be careful. Even about me, you be careful. You know, I will never go without telling. I will be going to this Mahavira or Triangle, nowhere exactly. And if I go, I will tell you. Before leaving this house, I will tell you I'm going here and there. And I used to give the, and now if I go now, I will give location, okay? You should be with that. Even you should give me wherever you go, whatever. That's what I'm saying. When you go for in search of house, when you reach there, I want location. This is the reason why I'm saying you